Good morning, everybody. Today we are going to learn about light. Before going to start this lesson, first of all, we go through fundamentals of light. Light is a source of energy. ఇది ఒక శక్తి స్వరూపం. ఓకే, ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ 9th క్లాస్ టాపిక్లో మీకు ఆల్రెడీ 9th క్లాస్ మీరు చదివేటప్పుడు రిఫ్లెక్షన్ ఆఫ్ లైట్ లేదు. మీరు 10th క్లాస్కి వచ్చేసరికి ఆ లెసన్ తీసేసి 9thలో పెట్టడం జరిగింది. కాబట్టి అక్కడి నుంచి స్టార్ట్ చేసుకొని కొన్ని బేసిక్ కాన్సెప్ట్స్ ఉన్నాయి. అది అయిన తర్వాత మనము 10th క్లాస్ టాపిక్లోకి వెళ్దాం. సో ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్, యు నో వెరీ వెల్, light travels in the form of electromagnetic radiation. Light propagates in the form of electromagnetic radiation. దీని ప్రాపగేషన్ గురించి కొన్ని సింబల్స్ మనము ఇచ్చేస్తాము. యు నో వెరీ వెల్, దిస్ ఈజ్ నౌన్ యాజ్ రే. సిమిలర్లీ, what is this called? This is parallel rays. This is called converging. This is called diverging. Okay, this is called converging beam and this is diverging beam. So now we will learn about pinhole camera. See, you know very well. Consider that this is an object. Now I placed a pinhole camera here. Here it is having a hole here. So here the light rays, consider that the light rays are passing in all directions like this. Similarly, from the bottom part also the light rays travels like this. If you observe, only the upper and lower part we are taking. From this direction, the lower part of this part is traveling through this direction, and here the upper part is traveling like this. So you will get the image of this one like this. So that is why in pinhole camera always we get inverted image. Okay, do you understand now? Okay, now we will learn about plane mirror. Okay, so generally we represent plane mirror like this. So here it is known as plane mirror because when any light ray passes through this one, this is called normal. Why it was called normal? Because if you propagate the light ray in this direction, again it will come in this direction only. So that is why it is taken as normal. Now consider that a light ray is passing like this. Now, for example, if it is 30 degrees, here the light ray will propagate, reflect in this direction. Here also the angle is 30 degrees. It is taken as angle I and it is taken as angle R. Here angle I value is equal to angle R. If you consider two things, first one is in which the normal, the incident ray and the reflected ray all are in one plane. then only it is known as the plane mirror, because here the normal, the incident ray, the reflected ray, all are in one plane only. So that is why it is known as the plane mirror. So second condition is that angle I is equal to angle R. These two are known as laws of reflection. Okay, you understand now? Laws of reflection. So here I am going to say about one of the scientists whose name is Fermat. He gave a principle that light travels in the shortest way, the most possible easiest way. It was given by the Fermat principle. By using this principle, all the principles like reflection, refraction, all the principles can be explained using this Fermat principle. Actually, he is a soldier and done his experiments on light and wrote a book. He explained a great principle regarding the light. Okay, so you can read about this one in the textbooks, but here I'm not explaining deeply, because for the polytechnic entrance examination we won't get any questions from this one. Only we need to learn about the Fermat, because he is the first man to explain the Fermat principle regarding the light. Now we are going to learn another concept, that is invention of spherical mirrors. In history, if you observe, Archimedes, you know Archimedes. Archimedes used the spherical mirrors. In Alexandria also, they used spherical mirrors for lighthouse. These are, you know very well about the stories behind this one, but this one, what are these two mirrors? Can anybody say? Can anybody say about these mirrors? Both are same or different? What is this mirror is called? Can you name? This is convex mirror and this is concave mirror. Okay, is there any difference between mirror and lens? We will learn in the next class, but here we are going to learn regarding this. This is called pole F to F. I'm not going to explain any definition. So here we will learn about ray diagrams. Okay, see, there are only major three principles that we will use to draw any ray diagram. So I will explain the three ray diagrams here. The very first one is that if any line which is parallel to principal axis, the line which is pass through focus. First one is that the light ray which is parallel to principal axis pass through focus. That is the first one. And the second one, if any line which is passing through focus, it will go parallel to the principal axis. which is passing through the focus will reflect through parallel to principal axis. And the third one, which is going through principal axis, again it will come in that direction only. Which is passing through principal axis, it will go again to principal axis only. Okay, these are the three principles that we use in this one. And one more is there, but actually no need. See, this is F and this is C, which is passing through center of curvature. Center of curvature. What happened to this one? Can anybody say? Again, it will come in this direction only. Okay, we use these three principles so to draw the ray diagrams. Okay, you see. Consider this is F and this is 2F. Okay, here we will take the different conditions. I will explain here. We will take the different conditions. Very first one, the object which is placed at infinite distance, and the second one, the object which is placed beyond C or 2F, and the third condition, the object which is placed between C and F, and fourth condition on F, fifth condition between P and F. So now we are learning about this. So consider that an object is placed at infinite distance. The light ray is passing like this. As per the first condition, the line which is passing parallel to the principal axis must be passed through the focus. So that here it is coming from the infinite distance and it is passing parallel to the principal axis. Definitely it should come through the focus, isn't it? So here I would like to remind one thing, that is, if you observe any star, it is at infinite distance, even though that is visible to your eyes, because the image is formed at your retina, isn't it? Retina is the focus of your eye. Similarly here also, the object which is placed at infinite distance, it should form the image at your focus. Okay, you please remember that one, because in simple way you please make a map in your mind, because so it is at infinite distance. Now I'm coming to behind 2F. Okay, behind C or 2F, whatever it may be. Here is only one chance, that is, consider that a light ray is passing parallel to the principal axis. So definitely it will come through focus. The ray which is passing through the focus, both are merging at here. This is formed in between 2F and F, that means C and F. So beyond C or F means it will form between 2F to F or C to F. You please keep in mind. Now take to the third condition, between C and F. So consider that here I placed the object here. Here is the possibility, the first ray which is parallel to the principal axis is passing through like this. I will draw another diagram for this one. You see, I will draw another diagram. Consider this is F and the C, and the object is placed in between these two. Now the light ray is passing through this, so it is parallel to this one. Definitely it should come through F. And the second one, see, it is formed beyond C. That means when the object is placed in between C and F, the image is formed at beyond C. Please observe the link. When we place the object at beyond C, the image is forming at C and F, between C and F. When we place the object at C and F, image is forming beyond C. These two are converse. You please keep it in mind. Similarly, when we place this is considered F and C. When we place at C, what happens? You please see. It's passing through F. Actually, these two are, I will make another diagram, you see. So this is F and this is C. I place the object here. See what happens. Similarly, see, the image is formed at C only. When you place the object C, the image is also formed at C only. But when you place at F, now I placed the object at F. This is the converse of first one, because when I placed the object at infinite distance, it gives the image at a focus. What is the converse of this one? When I place the object at focus, it will give the image at infinite distance. See. Okay. So when an object is placed at focus, the reflected ray come like this, so that the image will definitely form. Image will form at a infinite distance. Here we have to remember 2 points. The 2 points is that the very first one, what is the size of image formed at infinite distance? Enlarged. You keep it in mind, enlarged. Here we should keep it in mind 2 things, that is, what is virtual image and real image. The only difference is that virtual image cannot be taken on the screen, whereas real image can be taken on the screen. Here we can't take. So this is the difference between virtual and real. One more thing is that here I explained all these problems because these diagrams will not come in the polytechnic examination, but the application will come in that one. How? See, for example, I will explain you. An object is placed at C. An object is placed at C. And the image will be formed at, that means, and he gave that focus is given as 12 centimeters. Then what is the answer? You know very well that image will be formed at C only, and the size of the image should be the same. So what is the distance between C and P? please double the distance, 24 centimeters. This type of problems will become. Already I have given the assignment questions like that. Depends upon this one only. When I explain the assignment problems, then I will give the detailed explanation, because here most of the problems will come through this topic only. So that is why I will explain again there. So here I will explain the one more important topic, sign convention. Okay, what is sign convention? See, this is the pole F, and see, consider that the object is placed here and the light ray is passing through this direction. Whatever it may be the position of the object, we always measure the distance from here only. Now the distance between these 2 points is known as the u and also known as the object distance. When it is placed in between C and F, the image will be formed beyond C, and this is the inverted image. Now the distance between from here to here is taken as V. That means this is the object distance and this is the image distance. Now the light is traveling in this direction and we consider the direction from here. We measure the distance from here to here. That means we are passing opposite to this direction. So that is why it is taken as negative. Similarly, the object is formed, the image is formed here. The distance from here is measured from pole only. So that is why it is also taken as a negative. For your convenience, I will make another simple thing is that consider that this is the pole. When you measure from here to upward direction, that is taken as positive. Similarly, when you measure from here to in this direction, that is taken as negative. Similarly, when you take any measurement in this direction, that is taken as positive. And when you take anything measured from here to in this reverse direction is taken as negative. Okay, so here one more thing is that magnification can be measured V by U, or height of the image by height of the object. Here negative symbol B is there. So mostly when the object is questions will come like this. When the object is placed at a certain distance, what is the magnification, or inverted image, or erect, or similar type, like that type of questions will come to you. So I will explain all this one in the assignment questions. Okay, we will go for the next topic. Still now I have explained about different types of ray diagrams and the problems and the magnifications like that. Now I'm explaining about the mirror formula. There is no need to learn about the derivation, simply mirror formula. 1 by F is equal to 1 by U plus 1 by V. Here F is the focus, U is the object distance, and V is the image distance. Okay, so by using this formula we will get the problems with this only. I will explain these problems also. So the last and final one, solar cooker. Okay, so as per the textbook you have to learn only one thing, that is solar cooker. This solar cooker you know very well. This is we will take the isosceles triangles, and all we merge those isosceles triangles are arranged like a circle, and their center point must be at the focus.